Always think out of the box when you're trying to come up with a new organizing solution. I had a client who had a small master bedroom with a small master closet. It was so small that their accessories and shoes were spilling out all over the room and into other rooms as well. So we came up with a completely out of the box solution. We used an adjacent bedroom that was really just being used as storage and nothing more, and we turned it into a new, beautiful master closet. I designed an Alpha System closet, complete with lots of double hangs area, shelves on the very top for out of season and infrequently used items. We had drawers for small items like underwear and socks. We had shelves for folded items like sweaters and jeans. We even had space for their luggage at the top and all of the shoes on roll-out shelves. And then the last thing I did in this room was this small other bedroom actually had a small closet, and that was used for a little bit more clothing as well as the laundry solution and the place to put all the dry cleaning bags and hangers that needed to go back to the dry cleaner every week. So when you're working on a new project, think out of the box. Look at some spaces in your home that aren't being utilized very well and see if they can be used in a totally new way. Happy organizing!
Hi there, I'm Jamie Martin, and I've been a professional organizer for 20 years. If you have a room or an office that's stressing you out, call the Chicago Organizer today. We can guide you through the process to a less stressful and more organized life. We also offer pre-move services and unpacking and organizing. Check out our website for more information, tips, and inspiration photos, and also see our frequently asked questions page. And while you're there, sign up for our newsletter. Call us today at 331-217-4999.